Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This vlog would be about the table of an UPSC aspirant, and that's myself, Ashwarya. Here I would be showing you guys about the stationeries what I keep and how I actually organize my table and where I keep my books and my laptop. But firstly, let me just tell you the location of my table. My table is located at the midsection of my room, wherein maximum sunlight reaches my table so that I don't have to rely myself on the tube light. So I only use my tube light after 6 o'clock in the evening. And the next point is that you guys can create your own comfort zone in your room. So it can be the corner of your room or just a midsection what I have here. And that is totally of your comfort. Now let's move on to the books and my laptop. Well, I usually keep my books and my laptop in this cupboard, and I tend to keep my cupboard very close to my table so that I can just get my books and my laptop by a stretch of my hand and I need not move around searching for books. Hence, the second point is to keep your books and the study stationeries very next to you. And the next thing is about the filing of the notes. Well, I usually have a lot of files inside the cupboard, and I also have four huge files just below the table. And these files contain some NCERT notes and also the UPSC portions or the syllabus. And here I have a writing board with some A4 size sheets on which I usually make my notes. Now let's just move on to the stationery part. And this contains some post-its of various sizes and also colors, which helps me to make some quick notes. And I have a bunch of pencils, pens, and make sure that you have different colors of pen so that it is very helpful for you guys to make notes. And I have a lot of bookmarks. Whenever I go to shopping for buying books, I just grab myself a bunch of these bookmarks because I'm so obsessed with it. And the next one would be about the crayons and also the sketch pens. Well, I like to make my notes very colorful so that I don't get bored of studying it. And I also have this small book. Well, this is also called as my mind because whatever valuable thing comes to my mind, any thought or quote, I just write it down in this small book. And I read it after a year or two. So it makes me very happy. And next is these post-its which I have just put on this cupboard. When I've read some article or some magazine, I just make sure that I write few important topics on a post-it and just stick it on my cupboard. And when I'm done with throughout study of the topic and also making of notes, then I just strike it off like this. So I have lots of topic to cover up, and these topics, well, I tend to make it more interesting rather than boring. Next, let's move on to the water bottles. Yes, so I usually change my water bottles every 6 months because I'm so obsessed with the different patterns you get in the market. And I have one of a steel one which is just color coated, and I have one of a copper bottle, and I fill this twice in a day to just keep myself more hydrated throughout my studies. And the next one is about the clock. Always have a clock or a watch to just notify yourself of how much time you're spending on your studies. And do not keep your phone next to your table, just in case you want to know the time. You can just go to the hall or your kitchen and then get the time, but do not use your phone in the study room, because there are high chances that you might be dragged by your phone and you might tend spending time with it more than your textbooks. And make sure that your textbooks doesn't make you angry. Yeah, so now let's move on to the mug holder. This is a DIY which I have done, and it is around 3-4 years old, hence it is just spoiled a bit. Well, I have a habit of having lots and lots of hot water, and also when my mood is awesome, and I tend to make myself some hot cocoa, which just changes my study routine. And I've also, seen and heard from my friends, UPSC prep friends, that they are obsessed with having a lot of coffee or tea during the preparations. So I also recommend that, but I usually don't have caffeine. So I tend to, lock myself with some hot water or some hot cocoa. And these drawers which I have below are not meant for the UPSC prep, so I'm not going to show these to you. So I'm just going to be hiding these from you guys. And yeah, so this is what my table actually looks like. And I make sure to clean my study table every day in the morning so that I don't get, distracted by the dust particles on my study table when I'm studying. And do comment below what you felt after seeing this vlog. And also do recommend me few things, wherein I can make few changes. And I would just make some time out from my study schedule to just come and show you guys a few things about myself, so that you guys might have a clear understanding of myself. So hereby I'm signing off, and do like and subscribe my channel and be waiting for my next vlog. Thank you and bye.